did Sony just bring back one of the most iconic compact cameras ever made? After 6 long years of silence, the RX100 series is suddenly back on the radar, and this time, it feels very different. This is not just another random rumor floating around the internet or another speculative leak designed to create excitement for a few days. The signals surrounding the Sony RX100 VIII are starting to feel much more serious, much more deliberate, and honestly, much more exciting than anyone expected. The camera has reportedly appeared on Sony's 2026 release roadmap, and for longtime fans of compact photography, that alone is enough to spark massive curiosity. But when you combine that with whispers of major hardware upgrades, smarter software, and a possible reinvention of what a premium compact camera can be, suddenly this story becomes impossible to ignore. For years, many people quietly assumed the RX100 lineup was gone forever. Smartphones became unbelievably powerful, computational photography improved dramatically, and most consumers stopped carrying dedicated cameras entirely. The idea of spending premium money on a compact point-and-shoot started to feel outdated. Even Sony itself appeared to shift its focus toward mirrorless systems, cinema gear, and professional creators. That is exactly why the timing of this comeback feels so fascinating. Why now? Why bring back the RX100 after such a long silence? The answer may actually be simpler than people realize. The market has changed again. Smartphone cameras may be impressive, but many creators are beginning to hit their limitations. Tiny sensors can only do so much, especially when lighting conditions become difficult. Digital sharpening, artificial blur, and heavy image processing can make photos look good on social media, but they often struggle to deliver true camera quality. Meanwhile, creators have become more demanding than ever. They want gear that is portable but still professional. They want something small enough to slip into a pocket but powerful enough to trust for travel, family memories, street photography, and even content creation. That creates an opportunity Sony probably sees very clearly. And this is where the rumors start getting genuinely interesting. The biggest leak surrounding the RX100 VIII points toward a brand new 1-inch stacked sensor, potentially paired with Sony's latest generation image processor. That combination might sound technical on paper, but in real-world use, it could dramatically change how the camera feels day to day. A better sensor means cleaner images in low light, less grain during night photography, improved dynamic range, and more confidence when conditions are not perfect. Instead of struggling to take usable shots at restaurants, concerts, sunsets, or evening city streets, users may finally get results that feel genuinely premium. Early reports are even hinting at low-light improvements of up to 2 stops. That may not sound dramatic to casual users, but photographers know exactly how meaningful that can be. In practical terms, it could mean the difference between getting a blurry, noisy mess and capturing a sharp, detailed image without needing perfect lighting. For a camera this small, improvements like that matter enormously. Compact cameras live or die by their ability to outperform smartphones in difficult situations, and low-light photography remains one of the biggest battlegrounds. Then there is autofocus, an area where Sony already dominates much of the camera world. The RX100 VII was already surprisingly impressive for such a tiny device, but the RX100 VIII could reportedly push things much further with next-generation AI-powered subject detection. Think about how often people miss moments because cameras hesitate or lose focus. Kids running around, pets moving unpredictably, people walking through busy streets, sports action, or spontaneous travel moments often disappear in seconds. If Sony brings flagship-level autofocus into this compact body, it could become one of the most reliable point-and-shoot cameras ever made. Instead of hunting back and forth, the camera could instantly recognize eyes, faces, movement, and subjects with much greater confidence. For content creators, the video side might be equally important. The world has changed dramatically since the last RX100 launched. Back then, solid 4K recording felt impressive enough. Today, creators expect much more flexibility. Rumors suggest smoother frame rates, better stabilization, richer recording formats, and stronger color depth for editing. That matters because creators no longer want cameras that just record video. They want cameras that give them options afterward. Better color information means more room for professional edits, cinematic looks, and polished footage that stands out online. Imagine traveling with a camera that slips into your jacket pocket but still delivers professional-looking travel footage without requiring a giant setup, heavy lenses, or an oversized backpack. That has always been the magic of the RX100 series. It gave people real camera quality without demanding commitment. You could carry it every day without even thinking about it. And according to leaks, Sony appears committed to keeping that identity intact. Perhaps the most exciting rumor is that despite all these upgrades, Sony plans to maintain nearly the same compact size. That matters more than people realize because portability is the entire reason the RX100 became legendary. The second a compact camera becomes bulky, it starts competing against mirrorless systems instead of complementing them. Sony seems to understand that balance very well. People want serious power, but they still want convenience. Battery life may also finally improve, which honestly could become one of the most underrated upgrades. A longer-lasting battery sounds boring until you are halfway through a day trip and suddenly realize your camera is dead right before sunset. More battery means more confidence, fewer interruptions, and less frustration while traveling. Of course, there is one huge question Sony absolutely cannot avoid: price. This is where everything could either come together beautifully or completely fall apart. The previous RX100 models were premium products with premium pricing, and in today's market, consumers have more alternatives than ever before. Smartphones continue improving, and compact mirrorless cameras are becoming increasingly attractive. If Sony prices the RX100 VIII reasonably, this camera could dominate the premium compact category almost overnight. But if the price climbs too aggressively, buyers may hesitate and start looking at interchangeable lens systems that offer greater flexibility. Right now, nothing is officially confirmed, and every rumor should still be treated carefully. But after 6 years of silence, the RX100 VIII genuinely feels like something more than a routine refresh. It feels like Sony understands that expectations have changed, and that this lineup needs to evolve to stay relevant. Better sensor performance, smarter autofocus, stronger video tools, and the same legendary portability could make this one of the biggest compact camera stories of 2026. The only real question left is whether Sony is preparing a true revolution or simply polishing an old legend for a new generation. vidIQ.